Um, Let me go ahead and get the link and send it over to the community, and then that's it. Let me just share this link with the community, and then we're gonna go straight into it. Control V. I think it's actually Command V. There you go. Dino is live with at Data Trader. All right, bet. So we are live right now. Damn, look at gold. Gold is moving, guys. I just seen it like 5 minutes ago at 1869. It's already up 4 pips. I meant to say 40 pips, right? It's already up 40 pips. And pretty much actually it dropped about 20. It dropped to 200 pips in the last 4 hours. Holy shit! All right, guys. So market's moving crazy right now. I'm gonna zoom in. It's usually we don't get no expected movement on Monday, but for the past couple 2 3 weeks, Monday has been very very big days. Um, so we're gonna go into the 1 hour. Let's look at the daily and all these charts here and see what we got going on. So, anyways, we got the daily on gold. Um, Damn, SPX is up 10 pips from the last time I just looked at it 5 minutes ago. That's cool. We're gonna look at the daily on SPX. We're gonna look at the daily on the Nasdaq. And whoa, all right, look at the daily on the Nasdaq. We were up. We were up in TP, and it's coming down a little bit. We got a nice W here. Um, and we got the daily on the yen. Then we have the daily on the USD CAD. Oh, this is the weekly, but let's switch to the daily real quick. All right, boom. So we got the daily on all charts, and we're just gonna be talking about what can be possibly happening for this week, right? It's the start of the week. It's Monday. Uh, I know a lot of people hate Mondays, but if you're a trader, you pretty much love Mondays because it's the brand start of your week and a fresh new opportunity. So that's great. That's great. And we're gonna get straight into it. So right now, guys, we're looking at gold, right? Um, as you guys can see, gold is in a big channel. Still playing within the channel. We're in the middle of the channel as well, and we are caught between two very key areas: support and resistance. I will just extend this out a little bit. Um, we drew these up last week, and it looks like they're still in play. Gold still didn't break out of these resistance and support levels yet. So on the 4 hour, guys, I mean, it looks gold couldn't break the resistance, and we're heading back down to the support level. And now we can possibly keep ranging out for the rest of the day, unless gold proves strong in either direction. Let's go to SPX. SPX, guys, SPX looks bullish. It looks like it's gonna test for new all-time highs. It's coming. We do have a resistance level around 3670, and we are above support at which supports at 3620. Um, So that's about 50 pips to the upside within a range that we can possibly be trading in for the whole day. And I am going to zoom into the 1 hour and to see what we're looking at. Yeah, SPX 500 is bullish right now. 32. Wow. Yeah. Damn, in just 10 minutes, guys, SPX is up like around 10 pips, which is great. It goes to show market is moving strong today. Look at the volume bar on the bottom. Volume is very, very strong today, right? So we're getting some nice volume in here. And we're getting some lovely moves. As you can see, if you guys look to the left, we're pretty much playing above support. Within the last hour, we did wick off that support, and sellers came in a little bit, but there was a lot of volume ending on the buying side, and SPX is going back up to test that. And we got some movement going on in here. And yeah. All right. So data traders in here. Still can't hear her though. She just has to fix up her mic. And if we're looking at Nasdaq guys too, Nasdaq, uh, the trade from last week, it pretty much hit about 80% profit. And then as you guys can see now, it's back to about maybe 20% profit. So if you guys closed that trade early, took that 80% gains, that's great for you. Overall, it looks like Nasdaq is going to go back up. We do have to be patient with it and see exactly when it's going to go back up. We have a nice W here, right? As you guys know, W's mean markets going up, M's mean markets going down, and boom, we have a nice W. And now we have the W coming back down to the V line of support, and we can expect the market to go back up. So that's what we're looking at for the Nasdaq. Overall, it's bullish, just as the SPX 500. We do have to give it time to let it play out, and when it's ready to go up, it will. And then the Japanese yen, guys, moving in a big channel, guys, for years now. We got a little W as well, and it is expected that the Japanese yen will go up. That's crazy. We hit 140 just, damn, 3 4 days ago. Low key, like 2 months ago, um, when when GJ was hanging around 134, 133, I was like, damn, yo, like I think it can go back up to 140 within given time. 2 months later, look at that, guys. We touched 140, so that's great. GJ's looking bullish. It wants to go back up and possibly break out this channel, and we can possibly be seeing moves higher than 142. And and within a weekly time frame, guys, um, we can looking to be head to the next resistance area around 148, 145. So that's great on GJ. We're gonna go into the hourly and see what about the current moves that we're looking at. So let's zoom in. I'm just gonna zoom in on all these markets here. All right, so we got GJ breaking, impulsing above resistance. Now look at that, guys. In 2 hours, GJ moved about, sheesh, 80 pips from the London session. USD CAD, guys, is not really interesting, but it is good to keep updated with it because USD and the Canadian dollar are two major currencies. But as you guys can see, I still think we're in a big range on USD CAD, and probably gonna keep ranging out. Nothing really interesting in USD CAD. So I will go back into the main idea charts. SPX 500 is looking like, hmm, it is looking very bullish within the daily time frame. But the hourly, guys, is um, proving a little bit of resistance. We are gonna have to move into the 30 minute and maybe even the 15 minute, right? Let's see. Yeah, 3611, 30 minute. So what was nice about USD CAD was, as you guys can see right here, we were consolidating, right? We were consolidating for a couple hours, and then boom, we got an impulse above the consolidation. So what we can expect is a bounce off the resistance consolidation as support and keep going up, right? That's what's expected. So um, I'm gonna clear up this chart and get some new levels drawn up here. So let's go. We're gonna clean up this chart and we're gonna get some new levels drawn up. So we do have a support right here. I'm gonna just draw the new support, and if we break this support, guys, it can be very possible that SPX can start selling off a little bit more. But we do have to break this support, and for right now, we're above it. So as you guys can see, we have a clear support right here, right? And the next resistance zone, guys, it's pretty. We do have a lot of room to go up, guys. I mean, we're looking at about a nice 30 pips on the SPX 500, a nice 30 pips. Um, so this is what we're looking at, guys, for the SPX 500. This is the playable range we have for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that as a new chart. And there you go. So this is the playable range we have for today. No entries yet, guys, right? We're just gonna stay patient, and we're gonna go ahead and see what other possibilities we have on other markets. Preferably, we're gonna just talk about GJ, NAS, and gold. We're gonna draw up some playable zones, and then we'll talk about maybe some actual entries. So within gold, I mean, I'm not even gonna change these zones. They're pretty self-evident. They're still playing out. We have key support and we have a key resistance. And as you guys can see, we're playing off it nicely, right? We went up to the resistance, we broke down from the resistance, we came down to the support, and now, we're playing off the support. And look at this, guys. I just want you guys to take a note. Look at this volume. This volume is crazy. Very, very high volume, meaning that there are institutions trading this money, trading gold right now, right? So we have institutional volume in the market. So pretty much whatever way this market's going to go today, it's going to be where the institutions want it, and we can likely see a trend in that direction. So we are going to give gold a little bit more time to break out of the zone. Whether we break below the support, we will most likely continue down, right? And whether we break up the resistance, we can likely continue up, right? And I'm actually very interested in gold. I wouldn't mind taking a trade on gold today. It looks like we can make some nice, decent profits on gold, depending on which way it goes. But now let's look at the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq is still bullish, right? We are still very, very bullish, making higher lows. But for right now, within the current time, it's not going up just yet. It probably is going to wait for the New York session. And the thing that I want you guys to note is, look at all this volume bars. We're getting nice, nice volume right now, meaning that institutions are in right now. Institutions are trading, and they're looking at this market with us. So whatever way this market ends up going by the end of the day, we will likely continue to trend in that direction for the rest of the week. So keep that in note, guys. Keep that in note. Um, just because Monday is showing some nice volume, right? This is not really typical for a Monday, but this is what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and I kind of want to hide this right here, this text box, but I'm gonna leave everything here. Um, we're still playing within this area, right, guys? You guys can still see that the stop loss would be down here, and the take profit was up here. This trade from last week pretty much hit 80% profit. It nicked the stop loss, right? It nicked it, came close to it, and then continued to go up. So that was great to see. Um, and yeah, guys, if you guys held that strong, 80% profits in the bag. We have GJ. GJ is still looking very, very bullish. Um, so pretty much we got a very nice impulse move above this resistance right here. So I'm gonna draw the resistance right here, guys, and this resistance will actually serve as the new support, right? So as you guys can see right here, we had major, major resistance. Um, and now GJ broke above the resistance, and we're playing above it. So it's looking like GJ wants to use this as an SNR flip area, and that old resistance can very well serve as the new support. So I'm gonna zoom in, guys, on I mean, shit, guys. Once again, I'm gonna say again, take a look at that volume bar. The volume in all these pairs right now are through the roof right now. I mean, GJ moved 80 pips in just 2 hours, which is pretty darn crazy for a Monday, pre New York session. I mean, I know it was London session. It's still London session right now, but yeah, that was pretty crazy. We're probably gonna see much more volume too, as 8 o'clock comes and 9:30 comes for the New York session. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna map out um, where we're looking to take some trades. Well, clearly for GJ, guys, I'm looking to take GJ long, right? I think GJ is gonna bounce off the support and continue to go up. But depending on where exactly we're gonna take it, um, it's pretty much based on the price action and within time, right? For right now, guys, I'd say GJ's. If you guys are looking for a nice swing trade and with a stop loss of about 40 pips, GJ would be a great buy right here, and we would be able to put a nice stop loss um, below this area here. So what I will do here on GJ is I'll get a nice I'll show a nice long position where I consider this to be a great trade to take, right? So clearly a buy off the support, and we want a stop loss below the impulse move, right? And then we're gonna back up, zoom out a little bit to see where the next area is to take profits. And pretty much, guys, the next area to take profits would be right around this area, right? Resistance is right around here. Resistance is right around here, guys. Making this like a 1.5 to 1. Um, but we actually, in the 30-minute, guys, we did show strength, and it looks like we can pass that resistance. And so we can actually move up to the next profit area, which will actually be around there. Um, so this is pretty much the trade that we're looking at on GJ. It's about a 2.3 to 1 trade. Um, you know me, guys. I like to take trades that are at least 2 to 1, and we can possibly even get more profit on a nice swing trade to 139. But this is the next resistance area, right? Key next resistance area. So this is a nice trade, guys. We're looking on GJ. I am gonna back out. Oh, look at that! Look at Nasdaq. Wow, and look at SPX, guys. Wow, wow, guys. Um, that volume is crazy. We just came down 20 pips in the last 30 minutes. Well, an hour from an hour ago, we came down 20 pips. In the last 30 minutes, we came down about 15 pips. I'm gonna zoom into the 15-minute and see what we're looking at. So yeah, guys, I mean we're still above support, and I think this can be a great area to buy SPX 500. But we do have to see, right? Uh, if SPX 500 breaks below um, 3613, we are going to be looking bearish and be looking for sells. But as long as SPX 500 is above 3613, 3612, we are looking very, very bullish and continuation to the upside. So I'm going to go ahead and note this within the chat, right? I'm going to go over to SPX 500. SPX 500 live trading SPX above price where we at, guys. 2613, 2612. Bullish. Look for buys. 3660, right, which is the next resistance area. I'm actually texting this as you. SPX above 2612. I meant to say 3612. Let me edit that. All right. And yeah, guys, I mean, I think SPX 500 will be a great buy. Great buy. With a with a 10 pip stop loss, I'm willing to take it, right? So what I'm gonna do here is Let's see. What I am looking for is we can stick with a higher low on the 5 minute and break above. All right. It all depends, guys. It all depends. Nasdaq is popping up nicely. It's showing some nice wicks. Continuation to the upside is possible. All right. And what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm just waiting for SPX. Honestly, SPX above 3600 is bullish, right? Even if it's below 3612, as long as it's still above 3600, we're bullish. So let me go ahead and change that. Let me go ahead and edit that. We have clear support at 3600. I'm gonna go ahead. All right, all right. We're gonna give this. We're gonna see how the 15-minute closes in 2 minutes, and then we're gonna see how the next 15-minute plays out. Yeah, look at the Nasdaq, guys. 3 minutes showing nice support, but it is possible we can come down a little bit more. Yeah, very bullish today. Yeah, I agree. I agree, Tay the Trader. I wonder where Tay's mic is at. Um, she gotta fix that up so we can get her in on the live stream. I know she's here on the live stream, but she gotta get her mic working, so that would be great. Maybe because you have headphones in or something that's not connected. Probably maybe. So yeah, guys, this is the levels that we're looking at SPX 500. It's very very nice, very very clean, clean support, clean resistance. And from here, guys, we're looking at about 40 pips to the upside. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this over to the chat real quick. There you go. I'm just gonna send this over to the community. Trading zone for SPX 500 today. Zone. All right. Sorry about those noises, guys. Okay. SPX 500 is looking very, very bullish. Nasdaq is trying to move up as well. We do have some support here. It is possible we can come to 3613, guys, on SPX and then go right back up. Um, yeah, yeah, I see it as a possibility. We're just gonna give it some time. It's already popping up though. That's a crazy thing. It's already popping up. Uh, Sheesh, guys, sheesh. Yeah, I mean SPX 500 can go up crazy. Even if we can, if we wanted to take this trade right now, we can take it with around 13 pip stop loss or maybe even a 20 pip stop loss. So it all depends on where you guys want to take this trade. Um, this is very clean areas to trade off of. So I will be right back as we watch SPX 500 do its thing. I'll be right back in 2 minutes, guys. Yo, yo, what up? That's it? No, we got two minutes. We got- All right. All right, guys, we're back. And look at SPX 500. All right, guys. This is gonna be an interesting day. I think yeah, I mean I think this is gonna be a very, very, very interesting day. Um so let's go ahead and look at the other markets. Let's see what GJ is doing, right? Oh, look at that, guys. Bounce off the support, and it's looking like it wants to head up, right? 30 minute. Just got to give it a little bit of time, right? That's how it is in trading. Let's talk about gold though. Gold is up, moving up right now. It's moving up. I think gold is still looking a little bit bearish though. A little bit bearish. I have it here, over here. I got work, guys, at 9 o'clock today. So we will be continuing this live stream for about another 30 minutes. I do want to get a nice entry here though, before we go live. I mean, before I leave. We don't need to rush it. We don't need to get an entry before I leave. Clearly, I just want to show you guys the levels so you guys know the nice levels that we're looking at. So yeah, we have SPX 500, 40 pip zone. We have gold trading in a fucking pretty much gold is trading within like a uh 400 pip zone or 40 $40 range. I mean to say, oh look at that SPX 500. USD CAD is not interesting, guys. I mean right now it was interesting maybe about a couple weeks ago, when we were dropping and then we pulled back. That was a great trade on USD CAD, but I don't think USD CAD is going to be very interesting until at least next year. A lot of the forex guys is slow. I don't know why. The only real forex that I see moving a lot now, guys, is GJ, and that's pretty much it. Like right now, guys, the major players that I see is uh, gold and the stock market, pretty much. I think that's what's really moving right now in these times. Forex has been pretty slow. I'm still wondering where Tater Trader's mic is at. It says she's on air with us. It says she's here. Uh, but I guess her mic's not working right now. Oh, she can hear me talking. That's not funny. What she say? She says she's here. Okay, she's here. She's here. I heard you. Heard you. Um, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. This is the first stream that you're on, so you didn't get every didn't really know what to expect. I feel that. Don't worry about it. My first stream, I low had to do it like about five, three, four times before I got it right the first time. Um, but anyways, yeah. I mean, right now, we're keeping the patient, right? Right now, we're in pre-New York session, right? Um, so the volume isn't as crazy as it's going to get during the New York session in about 2 hours. But it is nice right now because in the pre-session we can actually see what will be the move for the New York session when it opens, right? So that's what we're doing right now. We're drawing out the major levels we have, the major support and the major resistance, and we do have a lot of move to the upside. Um, and it's pretty like if we look in the H4, we have pretty much clear traffic to the upside. I do think SPX 500 is going up today, guys, and we just have to catch it. But I am looking at these levels, right? If you guys look, we are overextended, right? If you guys look at the 4 hour, we are one, two, three, four, five. We are like 6 bars up on the buying side. So on the 4 hours, guys, um, I we can expect SPX 500 to move down even more, right? And that's simply because um, we're overextended on the 4 hour chart. And if you guys look, the next support area on the 4 hour chart is right here, right? This is the next support area on the 4 hour, and this is possibly where we can be coming next if we break this support at 3600, right? If we break 3600, guys, the next area we'll probably be coming for is around 3580. So, if we break 3600, we're looking at like another 20 pips to the downside. So it all depends, guys, right? It all depends. This 4 hour could set up like that. Um, just take because sometimes, guys, you don't want to be looking too close, right? Don't be stuck in a 10 minute time, 15 minute time frame or 30 minute time frame all day. Sometimes you want to back out to the 4 hour, the daily, and see what we're looking at on those time frames, right? I mean, yeah, guys. I mean, it's gonna be hard to tell, right? We have to get a little bit more information, right? We need a little bit more information to see what's gonna happen. Um, right now it's looking like sellers are coming in, right? That's what it looks like. 35. And if sellers come in, I mean, we do have a lot of range of support, uh, you know, for this market to stay up. So market is very, very bullish, right? Nasdaq guys looking a little bit more bearish, I'd say, right? I mean, if we go below, you know, 11,800 on the Nasdaq, and I'm just gonna take off this trade, right? This trade was from last week. We already took 80% profit off that trade, and I'm gonna clear up this zone here. And yeah, I mean, if we go back below to 11,800, guys, it possibly cannot be looking too sweet for the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq could be coming down more. The thing about the Nasdaq, though, guys, it's the chart isn't as clean. It's not as clean as the SPX 500, right? It's a little bit more wacky. It's more volatile. It moves a lot quicker. And right now, it's not as clear to me what's happening on the Nasdaq. We are still holding support, right? If you guys look, we're like moving within a channel, pretty much. We're moving in like within a channel support, right? So we have like a nice little channel playing out right now, right? We're moving in like a nice little channel right here, and it is possible we can go right back up. So that's what's also possible on Nasdaq. But like I said, we got to give it more time. I mean, we got to see how candles close, right? Within the 30 minute right now, guys. Let's zoom in, and we're gonna talk about key technical analysis or price action. Right now, as you guys can see, just within the 30 minute, we're making a higher low within the 30 minute, right? We do have to wait another 17 minutes to see how this candle closes. Um, but if we take a look, right, we take a look at this candle, um, we are making a higher low. What a higher low means, guys, is that the market could very well be uptrending, right? Could very well be uptrending because we are respecting the previous low, right? So if we respect the previous low, we make a higher low, and then we actually push up to make um, a higher high, or just closing above the previous candle high, right? So if we were to close above here on the Nasdaq, if we were to close above 11,937 while making a higher low, this would be very, very bullish, and we can possibly expect a continuation to the upside. Uh, but we just have to see, right? We do just have to see what the market wants to do within a given time. Going back to the SPX 500 30 minute, the 30 minutes making a higher low as well, and we're almost gonna close. Excuse me, we're almost closing higher, right? Overall, guys, I think uh, we do want to see a push above this resistance, right? So we do want to see a push above 36.25 to be looking for a nice trade on the SPX 500. And look at that, guys. SPX 500 is pushing as well as the Nasdaq, guys. I think. Let's see. All right, the 5 minute closed above. Well, look at this, guys. This is key price action too. Look at this 5 minute candle, right? We made a higher low than the previous low, right? So we closed higher than the previous candle. So if you guys look at the previous candle right here, look at the low. The low is around 36.21, and then if we look at the low for this candle that we're pointing at, the low is around 36.22. So this could be indication that the market's about to uptrend because we are making higher lows and we are actually closing above the prior close price, the prior high. So this is looking very, very good, guys. Um, so what I'm gonna do here is um, made higher low and closed above previous candle high. Yeah, guys, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I may be taking this trade, guys, uh, with a stop at 36.12, right? At a stop below this pivot support. We came down about 38 to 50%, and market is showing some nice bullish signs, right? And the Nasdaq is actually pushing up nice as well. And if we go into the 5 minute, guys, the Nasdaq is making higher lows and closing above. Yeah, guys, this is looking very, very good. Very, 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 very good. Um, yeah, I'm pretty much liking this. I think I'm gonna get an entry here, right? Let's back out a little bit and see what we're looking at in the 15 minute. Yeah, I mean we're making higher lows um, on the 15 minute. we're making higher lows. Uh, 5 minute, we're making higher lows, closed above here, right? It all depends though, right? I mean, H4 can run up to 36, 36.50, 36.60. I mean, H4 can honestly run up to 36.60 straight up. All right, what I'm pretty much waiting for, guys, is I'm gonna stay a little bit more patient. I want to see, I just want to see how it's looking in the next 10 minutes, right? But for right now, guys, we are looking nice. And Nasdaq is pushing up even higher. Yeah, guys, this can be beautiful. And notice how just 30 minutes ago, guys, we bounced off that uptrend, right? We bounced off the channel support, and it's possible Nasdaq is gonna go all the way back up to the top of the channel. And look at that, guys. SPX 500 is showing some nice bullishness right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We made another higher low in the SPX 500. Um, So I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to candle close to close. All right. So I'm gonna base my entry off this 5 minute candle close. So in the next 1.5 minute, if we close above this previous candle high while still making a higher low, I will be getting in the trade for a nice buy, and I will be placing my stop loss around 36.12, and that will be about 12 pips, about 12 pip stop loss. Um, you could even place a stop loss just below this pivot, right? You can place a stop loss around 36.19, and that'll be about 5 pips. That's pretty tight though, right? It's pretty tight, but I mean it could be valid. All right, guys, we have 1 minute left until it's decided if I take this trade or not. Mm-hmm. We can even place a stop loss below 36.19 for an even tighter stop loss. Yeah, guys, I think that's what we're gonna do. Rather than holding, yeah, 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 definitely, we're gonna place a stop loss below that, and it's already pushing up, guys. This is looking very, very bullish right now. Um, so we're gonna see how we close in the next 20 seconds. If we close above, like how we are right now, we're gonna be getting in this trade for the buying side, and we're gonna be having about a 6 pip, 7 pip stop loss, which is pretty tight. I mean, normally, you like to go 10 to 15 pip. Well, I like to go 10 to 15 pips normally. So 7 pips is actually a great, pretty much a great trade, right? And we're looking to risk about 7 pips to take about 25, 30 pips. So, guys, that's about almost a 4-to-1 ratio, 5-to-1 ratio trade right here. Um, oh yeah, and we just closed, guys. We just closed within the 5 minute bullish, and I'm gonna be taking this trade long. So let me go ahead and put that long position in and show you guys how I'm taking this trade. Where's the long position at? Right here. And that's it, guys. We took our trade based off the close right here. And our stop loss is at uh 36.19, right? 36.18.5. Let's be safe. And we are looking for a profit. Um, why is the chart like that? There you go. And we are looking for a decent profit at 36, at the support around 36.50, 36.60. So yeah, guys, this is a 4-to-1 trade right here, guys. Um, this is beautiful. 4-to-1 trade, guys. This is a great trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, we made a higher low. We closed above the previous candle high, and look, we're still making higher lows. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send this chart over to the community, and I'm going to get filled on this trade. SPX 500. Right. We can do 36.18 to be sure. So I'm gonna put the stop loss at 36.18, guys. And look, I didn't I didn't enter yet, just because I'm setting it up. But as you guys can see, look at this. Um, yeah, we will see. We will see. We will see. I'm still liking this trade scenario. So what I will be doing is I'll be posting it to the chat, right? All right. So go ahead right here. All right, bet. Live trading. We're gonna post a trade entry right now. Oh shit! I just realized I'm on your account. That's so funny. All right, trade entry. 100. Um, Actually, that's what I need to do. I need to. Oh my bad, YouTube. I can't be showing you guys all of our. I can't be showing you guys all of our chats here on Mad Funny. Can't be showing you guys all of our chats here within the community. So yeah, guys, this is what we have on SPX 500. Um, and I'm gonna put a buy. We're gonna get triggered on the buy stop at once we break above this breakout, right? So we're gonna get triggered at the buy stop around 36.27. All right. This would be about 15 pips. Actually no, it's not 15 pips. 36. That stop loss at 36.27. Entry at 36.27, 36.18. Oh, that's about 9 pips. All right, that's a normal trade right there. Let me see what it's looking like on the MetaTrader. It may be a little bit different on the MetaTrader. Oh yeah, so on the MetaTrader, the entry will be at 36.26. All right, all right. So on the MetaTrader, we're looking at a buy stop at 36.26. Uh, we're gonna be going with the daily time frame is bullish, along with 5 minute support breakout impulse. Right, we are catching the impulse move on the 5 minute. That's what we're gonna be getting our entry on. So our entry is gonna be 36.26. 36.26 with a stop loss at 36.18, which is only about 8 pips, guys. 8 pip stop loss. That's a great trade. And we're going to be looking for TP1 at 36.50 and TP2 at 36.60. And there it is, guys. That is, I am posting this from Rick Trips, right? But that is the entry that we're looking at. And I'm going to let you guys know if I get filled on that. 36.26, right? And we're gonna do a stop loss of 36.18, and we're gonna do the first 36.60, and just to let you know, guys, we are literally we are literally less than 1 pip away from getting filled on that entry. 1 pip away. All right, now we are literally zero point 0.5 pips away, zero point 0.4. Oh. Yeah, zero point 0.5 pips away from getting filled in this entry. And there you go. There you guys go. Um, I was very happy that you guys tuned in live with me. And it looks like we are getting your entry in before I go. I'm about to cut the live stream in about 5 minutes, and then that will be it, guys. We're gonna see 36.18. That's a great trade right here. 18 to 26, 8.16. That's a great trade, guys. I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. This is a great trade. This is a great trade, guys. This is a great trade, honestly. I didn't get filled yet. We are zero point 0.4 pips away, zero point 0.5 pips. I'm just watching the price action on MetaTrader. Um, but pretty much, yeah, we're waiting for the impulse move. So what I mean by the impulse move, um, is if you guys look at the chart, you guys can see we have a little bit of consolidation right here, right? So we have a little bit of consolidation right here, and all I'm waiting for is price to break out this area and give us an impulse, right? Um, we didn't even need to have a V, but pretty much I'm waiting for price to give us an impulse on this consolidation, and on this impulse is where we will get triggered. So pretty much as soon as we break that consolidation resistance, we will be getting triggered on that. And we're still about zero point 0.5 pips away, right? It's giving us a little rest right here. This is looking great, guys. This is looking great. I'm loving this trade right here. I'm loving this trade scenario. Look at the 30-minute, guys. The 30-minute, and this is how we know the market's getting ready to go into more of an uptrend, guys. Oh my God, are you guys looking at this? Are you guys looking at the 30-minute moving? Um, we made a higher low, and uh, this ends. Oh my God, and we closed above the previous candle open high. That's what I want to say. Previous candle open high. So this is exactly how we know we're moving into another uptrend, right? And yeah, guys, I mean look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq's already making its way up, right? There you go. The new hour just started. The new hour just started on SP 500. And yeah, guys, this is it. Made a higher low. We closed above the previous candle high on the 5 minute, 15 minute, and the 30 minute. Looks all bullish right now. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute looks bullish. Um, the only thing that looks a little bit is the H4, which is overextended, but we do have a lot of room to go up on the H4, right? Like I said, we do have about 25, 30 pips to go up in the H4 before coming back down. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Yep, and that's it, guys. I think I'm already getting tracked. I don't know why these people are going crazy. All right, you tracking my location. All right, thank you. All right, guys. Loki have to dip, guys, very soon. Like very soon. Um, this is the trade, guys. We did not get triggered yet, right? But it's looking like we're about to get triggered very soon here. 30s. Just want to make sure that's all correct. 36.50. That'll be 25. That'll be $50. All right, guys. So we still didn't get triggered yet. Just waiting a little bit, but that's the trade setup, guys, for today. Um, we have an impulse entry above this breakout right here on the next impulse move that sets us going to the upside. This is where we'll get our entry right here, guys. So I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with that key information of where our entry is on the impulse breakout, and we're looking at a nice 25 pips, right? I will be taking profits at 36.50, a little bit shorter than our, the because the resistance, guys, the resistance is around 36.60, 36.55. So I want to be taking profits a little bit before we hit the resistance to ensure that I will get that entry, right? Um, and with that being said, guys, we're back to zero point 0.5 pips away from our entry fill. Um, yeah, I just don't want to go without us not getting filled in that entry. We're literally 0.25 pips away now. We're zero point 0.1 pip away. Um, all right, we're 0.12 pips away now. All right, there you go. We just got filled, guys. Boom. Entry triggered, 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 entry triggered. All right, guys. Shalom Adu. Thank you for watching this live stream. This is what the current trade parameters is. Let me go ahead and get one more picture for the community. Entry got filled. We have only a 8 pip stop loss, guys, to take 25 pips. Guys, this is a 3-to-1 ratio trade. This is the trades you want to be taking. You don't want to be taking a 1-to-1 trade where you win and you lose the same thing. You want to be winning more than your losses. So this is a perfect trade, guys. We will be taking 3 times more than our loss on this trade. And those are the trades you guys want to be looking for, right? So I'm going to leave you guys with that. Thank you guys for tuning into this live stream. Dino has to get ready, eat some breakfast, and go to work. And see you guys later and catch me in the live stream tomorrow.